Hey, you two, welcome back. So as you can see, the box says New Balance. So I'm going to unbox this, even though I don't know what my son purchased. So we're just gonna go along with it. So let's go ahead and open this up. So here's the style number right here, and then a UPC code, 1 quantity. So this is what it says on the bottom of the box: 2021 New Balance Athletic Ink. So we got the New Balance right here. I'm not sure if that's a 3M reflective. It looks like it. There's a New Balance, and there's an opening right here in the oval shape. Got the New Balance right here. Yeah, let me turn on the flash real quick. Let's see if this is 3M. So I guess it's not 3M reflective. Let's go ahead and check out the size. Got the NB New Balance. And this is size 10.5. There's two other quality control sticker. I'm not sure what's the dimension. Oh, it's a 2021 and 2022. And you got the NB New Balance on the tissue paper. So this is the New Balance 550. Got the NB over here and New Balance on the midsole. Got the New Balance. And it says non-marking sole. Got the 550 right here with the green N. And you have the NB on the back right here. And you got the NB on the insole right there. Go ahead and take out the shoes tree. Got the white lace. And check out the size label right here. It is made in China. inside the midsole it says New Balance. So unfortunately I cannot take it out. I guess it's glued in. Check out the other side. And then this is the other side. So the insole is authorized comfort foam insole. Alright. Anyway, I hope you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.